Africa's visionaries, researchers, and experts gathered for the Grand Challenges African Drug Discovery Accelerator workshop committed to transforming Africa's health landscape.
My vision for the ADDA is that it unlocks the opportunities for drug discovery research on the continent that previously didn't exist, and that by working together we're able to strengthen regional hubs for drug discovery research and eventually start to actually solve the problems on the continent from within the continent. The future for drug discovery in Africa is bright. We have researchers that are so passionate about the problems that we face every day. We're motivated to solve and come up with cures for these diseases that surround us. And if we continue in this way and we work together to create the capacity, I honestly believe that it may take us 50 years, but we'll reach a point where medicines for Africa are coming out of Africa.
My vision for ADDA is a scenario where there is sustainable drug development in Africa that is enabled by this consortium of researchers. I'm passionate about drug discovery in Africa because I think that the continent is afflicted by a lot of diseases. We are the ones to solve our own problems, and this obviously entails developing drugs.
ADDA is the outcome of a dream that scientists on the continent have been daring to dream for some years, and now it's becoming a reality. And that is to be connected to one another, to be able to share resources and opportunities, to be able to collaborate, and also to be able to be globally connected, to have access to industry experts and funding on a global level. And that's what the network is doing. It's bringing people together with a shared vision of meeting unmet medical needs on the continent, of coming up with solutions for Africans, by Africans, that it can also be shared with the rest of the world.
My vision for ADDA is mainly based on two areas. One is that it will enhance collaborative efforts amongst Africans in looking for drugs and therapies for treatment of diseases that are affecting Africans. So the second one is that it will generate scientists who are skilled in various aspects of drug discovery, and this will happen through training. Of course, there is a lot of training that is taking place within the ADDA network, and there are various exchange research or lab visits represented by the ADDA members.
What excites me about this network is together we can do things that we couldn't do on our own. So, for example, you have a researcher who's really great at malaria biology, but has never been able to do drug discovery because they don't have access to the medicinal chemistry or the pharmacology and all the other disciplines that you need to make an integrated drug discovery development team. Together, we're now linking up to bring all that expertise into one team, into one room, all the scientists, and you can hear it, you can feel it, the collaboration, the excitement, being able to unlock these opportunities. It's access to infrastructure as well. And to be honest, it doesn't make sense to have all the world-class infrastructure at every single institution. We should be sharing the resources. I think that's what really excites me about the network and the potential of actually working together.